Hey friends, it's Amy W. Keto Queen. I hope you're having a great day. I can't believe it's Wednesday. That's hump day, y'all. Whoop, whoop. I mean, are you guys ready for the weekend? It's half the week is over. I can't believe it. I worked a little late today and it was a great day. Oh my goodness, I love to hang out with customers and to work with my nurses. So much fun today. I hope you guys also had a great day at work. We're making another new dish tonight. I've never tried this, so if it's not good, I will tell you guys. But if you want to watch me put it together, I'd love to show you. This is a garlic butter chicken. And what I've done so far, first of all, give me some hearts if that sounds good. Like garlic butter chicken, does that not sound good? I'm using ground chicken. You can use ground turkey. You can use chicken breast, turkey cutlets. You can do this however you like. Very similar to last night. Instead of using a garlic sauce, we're making a garlic butter chicken dish. So instead of broccoli, tonight we use cauliflower. Guys, let me know where you're watching from. I'd love to know as you jump on where you're watching from. And give me some hearts if you love simple, delicious recipes. That's what this page is all about. Simple, delicious, low carb, even keto recipes that you can use over and over because they're so good. This is a brand new one. I haven't tasted it yet, but it smells delicious. We took a head of cauliflower and cut it into small bite-sized pieces. We sauteed the cauliflower just like we did broccoli last night. We put this cauliflower in a skillet with 2 tablespoons of butter, salt and pepper. We just sauteed that. You see a little brown, a little soft. I like a little crunch in my vegetables. All right, now we're going to go on to the next part, which is 2 more tablespoons of butter. So we have a total of 4 tablespoons of butter in here. And as you guys jump on, let me know where you're watching from. I'd love to know where you're watching from. Now, I see all those hearts coming through, so thank you. If this sounds good, continue to give me some hearts. And if you love simple, delicious recipes, give me some hearts. So I'm adding 2 more tablespoons of butter. It's already softened, so it's going to melt really quickly. And we're going to do a pound of ground chicken. Now, you can use ground turkey. You can use chicken cutlets, or chicken breast. You can use turkey cutlets if you'd like to. Pretty much anything you'd prefer. But I'm using ground chicken because we're fixing to cook this chicken up, season it, put all the ingredients back together, guys. And we've got another simple, delicious dinner in less than 20 minutes. I love to be in and out of the kitchen in less than 20 minutes. Guys, if you're new to my page and you've never asked for getting started tips, say getting started so I can get you those tips to help you start a low carb or even keto lifestyle where you feel absolutely amazing eating delicious food and not having to focus on strict hard diets. Like, who loves diets? Not me. I don't like a diet. I will do it if it's absolutely necessary, but I don't want to do it long term. It's just not for me. I want to live a healthy lifestyle to where when I go out to eat, I can eat and enjoy myself. And I don't feel like I'm indulging, but I also don't feel deprived. Today we had lunch on a very short break at work, and I had a most delicious salad. It was the only time today that I had any Wi-Fi on my phone, and it was such a delicious salad. I didn't feel deprived at all. I'm telling you, that sucker was chock full of good stuff. I'm trying to pick up all the little cauliflower pieces I got all over the counter. All right, so if you're new and you need those getting started tips, say getting started. Hey, Julie. I see Barbara and Diane. Julie from Vermont and Barbara from South Carolina. All right, guys, we got this chicken on about medium heat with 2 tablespoons of butter. It is a garlic butter dish. So we've got the butter in here with the chicken. We also had butter inside the cauliflower that we sauteed. And I would love to know, too, guys, if you jump on, what are you doing for dinner tonight? Like, I love for us to share what we're doing. If you're eating anything low carb or keto, put it in the comments because it helps us think of things that we don't eat all the time. One thing I'll tell you I don't like is eating the same food every day. Now, a girl like me loves breakfast. I could eat breakfast every single night if you guys didn't get sick of me. But I want to show you there's so much more out there. I love breakfast. I swear I could eat eggs every night and I'd be happy, happy, happy. Ricky could eat bacon sandwiches every single night and he would be so happy. I would never have to cook anything else and we would survive because we love breakfast. But there are so many things you don't want to do. And my one tip is to not eat the same things every day. Because if you're changing your lifestyle and you know you like eggs and you eat eggs every single day, you will eventually hate eggs. And then you've just lost an amazing protein source, 0 carb, that is so good for your body, but you ate it every day, so you got sick of it. And then you feel like you're depriving yourself because you only ate one thing for so long. So you definitely want to rotate things in your kitchen, things that you're eating. I love simple meals, though. All of my recipes are super simple. Irene's doing a BLT for dinner. Hey, Ann, how are you doing? Thank you. I appreciate it. I see Karen jumping on. Hey, Shirley, how are you? Hey, Lourdes, I hope you're doing well. Irene is from New Hampshire, guys. All right. Hey, Kelly, how are you? So we're making I forgot, garlic butter chicken. We're making a garlic butter chicken. I was supposed to say lemon because I see all this yellow in here, but it's not lemon. It's actually butter. Oh, yes. Sandra made the Big Mac, I can't remember what I called them, Big Mac smash burgers. She said they were great. Ricky could eat those now every single night. Hey, April, how are you from Michigan? Loving these recipes. Hey, Karen, turkey burgers tonight. Yum, that sounds good. I love turkey burgers too. So let me tell you, just so you know, Sandra, those Big Mac smash burgers were seriously fantastic. So easy, so good. But I already have been thinking today while I was at work, like what else could I do with those little tortillas? Like I'm already thinking in my mind a chicken ranch burger, or a chicken pesto burger. Like there's so many things you can do with burgers, and I love burgers. We can make a feta turkey burger. Like, oh my gosh, there's so many things that's been going through my mind since those tortillas were used the other night for the smash burgers. So only more things to come. We just finished egg roll dish. Yum, egg roll in a bowl. I hear people talk about it all the time, and I still have not eaten it. All right, we're almost done with this chicken. It's getting almost finished. We're fixing to add some seasonings, and we're going to let it cook for about 2 more minutes. And we're going to drain out now. Some people are going to say that's greasy. That's not greasy, y'all. Ground chicken has very little grease. Now, there were 2 tablespoons of butter in here. But that is a lot of liquid. So, what I'm going to do in just a second, and instead of dirtying up some dishes, I'm going to put in some of my really good Bounty paper towels that soak up everything. Y'all know the Bounty commercials? They actually do soak up everything. I'm going to soak up some of this. Not all of it, because I want some of that butter juice in there. I don't want to soak it all up, but I am going to get some. Ground chicken has very little like water. See, that's yellow. That's butter. But I don't want tons. Now I'm gonna see if I can get it over here to the garbage without making a mess. Whew, that's hot. Let me see if I can get to the garbage without making a mess. I'll use my spatula. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Perfect. Now I didn't take all of it out, so I want some of that butter in there. And we're fixing to go ahead and add some seasonings and let this cook for a couple of more minutes. And then we're gonna add the cauliflower back. And one other thing, and guys, we've got dinner served. Like dinner is served. Okay, so we have, if you're just jumping on, some sauteed cauliflower. This is a butter garlic chicken. We've got cauliflower sauteed. You see it's brown. It smells delicious. We sauteed it in 2 tablespoons of butter, salt, and pepper. That's it. When it got a little soft and brown, we took it off. And now we've got our ground chicken cooking. I'm going to add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. You can do as much as you want. You can use garlic powder if you prefer. I love garlic, so I'm using 4 to 5 good cloves of garlic. So I'm going to put that in here. And we're going to use 1 teaspoon of onion powder and 1 teaspoon of paprika. That smells good. I love garlic. It smells so yummy. All right, we're going to stir in that garlic, so I don't want that to burn in one place. It's going to season this up very, very nice. Because I left some of that liquid in there, that garlic is, it smells so good, y'all. I wish you could smell my kitchen. All right, I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Let this cook just a couple of minutes. You really just want that garlic to cook a second. Oh, that's a hefty teaspoon right there. It's okay if you used hefty teaspoons. I like hefty teaspoons. I'll do another, might as well do, whoops, I just made a mess. I finally got some onion powder. All right, a hefty teaspoon of onion powder. We already got the garlic in there. We're going to stir this up. We're fixing to add that cauliflower back to the dish. Now, you can mix this up as like a skillet, or you can layer this kind of like we did last night. Just put that cauliflower in your dish, put the chicken in it. But I'm actually going to add it in here. It's just going to be 1 skillet dish. Now, I'm not adding the cauliflower until I'm ready for it because it already has been cooked and I don't want it to get super soft. I cooked it until it was brown. That looks good, guys. Does that not look good? Give me some hearts if that looks good. I love paprika. All right, let me turn this off because it's really hot. Y'all know my back eye. My back eye gets crazy. All right, we're going to add the cauliflower. And dinner's ready, babe. Don't go outside yet. All right, we're going to add the cauliflower to the skillet. Man, don't that look good, y'all? Give me some hearts if this looks good. It smells so good. I wish I could smell it. All right, and then if you look at it and it's a little dry, you can add a little bit of chicken broth. I'm going to add a little bit of chicken broth. I'm going to do about 1/4 cup. If you don't need it, you don't need it, but I did take out some of that butter. Do about a 1/4 cup of chicken broth. Just give it a little splash of juice in there. Y'all, this smells so good. It looks so good. And then I'm gonna add one more thing to the skillet. And then for my plate special, I'm gonna add another ingredient. Ricky is not a huge fan of parsley. I love parsley. I love fresh parsley. So what I'm gonna do now is put some Parmesan over the top. You can leave the cheese off if you don't want any. I'm gonna put just a little bit of grated Parmesan over the top. And then when I put this on my plate's gonna have a little fresh parsley. Now guys, does this not look delicious? Give me some hearts if that doesn't look good. I wish you could smell it. It smells fantastic. And guys, we've got dinner done. Literally done. I don't know how long we've been live. I've been talking to you guys and cooking, but we are done. I mean, who doesn't love fast dinners in and out of the kitchen? All right, guys, if this is good, if I help you in any way, make sure you share this video, share all of my videos. We want to reach as many people as possible to show them how easy it is to ditch the carbs, feel amazing, and eat delicious food. So share these videos and give me some hearts, and I will see all of you guys later. Bye.